Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Diamond Empire. It's Chairman Diamond Aridoh, and today guys, guess what? I'm going to be showing us a strategy as a forex trader, how you can actually trade high impact news. You know what guys, yesterday was 5th of August 2022, whereby we have NFP news. NFP happens to be one of the high impact news which make a whole lot of traders to lose money in the market yesterday, and this is going to actually make me to be showing us a strategy that regardless whatever the news is bringing, either it's going to be positive or negative, you are going to profit from the market. Guess what guys, yesterday Forex Factory is actually predicting to traders that the market is going to actually the news is going to actually affect the currency pairs, which is the USD currency, to actually lose strength. But at the end of the day, when the news actually come into actualization, the currency actually gains strength, which make a whole lot of traders to lose money yesterday. But today guys, I'm going to show you a strategy. Either the news is going to be going positively or the news is going to affect the currency negatively, you are still going to make profit from the market. Not only that guys, I'm still going to show you another strategy whereby immediately after the news impact have affected the market, you can actually use this strategy to actually make money from the market easily. These two strategies I'm going to be showing us. First one, how you can actually make money of the high impact news. Whether the news is going positively or negatively, you are still going to make money from it as a trader, as a forex trader. And immediately after the news have affected the market finish, how you can actually make money through the strategy I'm going to show you, because 90% of all the time the market does these things, but a lot of people don't pay attention to it. I'm going to actually show you that too. And guess what guys, if you are new to this YouTube channel, I want to encourage you right now, please press the subscribe button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, press the bell notification button, and make sure you like this video. Why? Because I'm going to be researching and revealing more ideas and strategies of how we can actually stay consistently profitable in the forex and the financial market guys. So do me a favor right now guys, I hope you have subscribed to the YouTube channel. Make sure you give it a like button and then make sure you turn on the bell notification button. And guess what guys, let's go to my screen right now guys. Let me show you these two strategies, and guess what, you will enjoy. So welcome guys, this is how to actually trade the high impact strategy that I'm going to put us through. I will encourage you to stay to the end of this video that I will be unveiling how to actually trade this strategy, and make sure you click the subscribe button right now. I have already asked you to do that. Click it if you have not already clicked it before, and if you have already clicked it before, kudos to you and God bless you. And make sure you click the like button right now, put the bell notification on guys. So this is forexfactory.com, where most traders usually come to get the news that is coming up. Now look at this my screen right now. If you see here right now, you see previous, you see forecast, you see actual. What this means is that what the news was before and what the Forex Factory is forecasting the news to be the next few before the news will commence. And once the news commence, the actual what the news is actually saying will be here. So let's go to some few days. Let's go to like July to the 5th of August. Okay, sorry guys, I hope my internet is fine. Hold on guys. Okay, so guys, let's now check. Let's go from July 1st to 5th of August. Let's apply. Okay guys, so this is July. So I want to actually show us how the news is actually affecting the market and how you can actually take advantage of it. So on July 1st, who happens to be Friday, we have some high impact news. Anytime you see a red folder, those are high impact news. And if you look at the time, you have to make sure, if you are using Forex Factory, make sure that the time of Forex Factory is correlating with your time. How do you do that? By going to settings here. Okay, me have registered. If you have not registered, you see join, or you click on this time here, and then you come and synchronize your time to your time zone in your whatever country you are watching from. God bless you. So mine is synchronized. You can see this is 1:16 p.m. 1:60 p.m. So guys, so now as we are saying, okay, I'm gonna have to bring back the month July 1st to 5th of August, which is yesterday. So guys, on Friday, anytime you see a red folder, it means that there's high impact news, meaning that at that time, that 10 a.m. on Friday, euro is going to actually have some impact in the market as a forex trader. So what are you going to do? What I'm going to teach us right now, but I'm going to be using USD because USD happens to be one of the major currency in the world and usually affect majority of the markets. So now I'm going to be using USD as an example. So look at this, guys. USD has a news by 3 p.m. on last month on Friday. That news is saying JOLTS job opening, and then look at it here. Remember I said this place we have previous, we have forecast, and we have actual. You can see it here. This was previous, this was what they forecasted, and see what happened. So sometimes Forex Factory will forecast that this is what this thing is going to be, and it is going to come close to that thing, and sometimes it will not just come close to it at all. It won't even come to, just like what happened yesterday. Look at this one now, it was right. The previous of this Tokyo core CPI news, though it was low impact news because it's a yellow folder, you don't have to mind it when we are trading. You only have to mind the orange and the red folder, but right now I'm talking about the red folder. So now look at it. This is 1.9% previous. They forecasted it to be 2.1%, and then when the actual news came, it happens that it correlates with the forecast. Now look at this one too. This one they forecasted 2.5. They forecasted 2.5. That means there's nothing that's going to be changing. But look at what happened. 2.6. That means there's a slight change. So if now let's look at high impact news on USD. Okay, July Friday. Okay, let's go to Monday. Let's go to Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, July 6th. So now on Wednesday, July 6th, look at what happened. The previous was 11.68 M, and they forecasted that it's going to be 11.05 M, which means they are expecting what? They are expecting a weakness in the currency strength, in the currency, US dollar currency. They are expecting it to weak. Look at it, 11.68 to 11.05. That means it's depreciating. So it means that what they are forecasting here is that this market, this currency, which happens to be USD, is going to lose strength at the time of this news, which is 3 p.m. And look at what now happened after. What happened after is actually 11.25 M. But if you want to compare it to the previous 68 and 25, that means that the news actually make the market to actually lose the strength for real. Makes the USD currency to lose the strength, because this is 25, this is 68. At least they've given you a forecast that is going to lose strength here. So but sometimes it doesn't usually work like this, just like what happened yesterday. Look at it now. So let's go to another news. Look at USD again. This is the first Friday, official first Friday of last month, July, that we have the non-farm employment change. That's the NFP news that happened yesterday. This is when it happened last month, July. So look at it here. They said 384K was the previous, and they forecasted it to be 260K. And when the news came out at the time, it was still 72K. But true, does the forecast work? Yes, the forecast was, because they are predicting that the currency, the US dollar currency, is going to actually lose strength by that 1:30 p.m. So but does it lose strength? Yes. Why? Because this 372 compared to 384, that means the previous is higher than the actual, so it's going to lose strength. So this is what actually happened. So people have actually relied on Forex Factory that anytime they bring up a news about a currency on high impact news, is usually correct when they say the currency is going to actually reduce in strength, and it usually reduces in strength. Meanwhile, some traders don't even trade the news at all. Anytime they see that there is news, they close down their trades. But oh, come on, when you have a strategy that can actually make you to be profitable with the news, why don't you just take advantage of it? So now let's quickly go to my chart. This is July 8th, Friday, and let's look at what the market does, how the market actually affect them. Okay, this is NZD/USD pair. Let me quickly go to July 8th, right? July 8th. July 8th, this is daily candle. You can see at this place that is showing the month. You can see 16th of June. I'm coming to July 8th. Okay, let me bring my horizontal vertical line here. July 8th. This is July 8th, guys. So let me now go to lower time frame to actually see how this thing actually affects. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, this is July 8th. So now what's the time here? The time is 1:30 p.m. so let's look at 1:30 p.m. on July 8th. 1:30 p.m. will be 13:30. July 10, July 8th. Guys, this is it. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. So let's look at it. Now let me, this particular candle here is what happened. Look at the way the market is going. Let me do it in a way that we all understand. Let me hide all this drawing. Look at the way the market is going. It's going. You can see the market is looking like it's going on an uptrend. But immediately the news strike, what happened to the pair? It calmed down. Why does it calm down? Because look at what they said here. USD, not farm payroll. Look at it. It's saying that 384, now we have 372. That means the USD lose strength, isn't it? 372 means the USD lose strength, right? But look at the real sense. The market actually sell. So that means that even the news didn't affect the market rightly here. When you have USD as XSS USD PS means that USD is going to, if to say USD actually weaken in strength for real in this place, it means that this market is supposed to go up, meaning that the NZD overpowered the USD. Let's check another pair. Let's check another pair on 8th of July, 1:30. Let's check another pair. 8th of July. 8th of July. Okay, 8th of July. So let's go to higher time frame, lower time frame, like 30-minute time frame. And then let's look for 8th of July. Okay, this is 8th of July. This is 8th of July. So 13:30. 13:30 will be 1:30. 11th of July, 8th of July. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. Let me hide the drawing. Look at it, guys. This is the candle. See the way it calmed down. See the way this candle calms down here. You can see it, guys. So this is actually to let us know that, see, even with the prediction of Forex Factory that said this candle, this USD currency is going to actually weaken in strength, but what really happened in the real market here, it actually gained strength. Look at it, because the GBP USD is actually letting us know that when the market goes down like this, that means the USD is overpowering the GBP. So look at the way it goes down. So that is why sometimes you don't actually need to focus on what the Forex Factory is actually telling you, but you just focus on what the information they are giving you. What's the information they are giving you? There's going to be high impact news at that time. So that is why this strategy is very important, because you don't actually have to care whether the news is going to be positive or negative. But if you're actually saying you want to follow whatever they say, look at it here, they are saying the news is going to actually affect the market negatively, but in the real sense it's actually affecting the market positively. If you want me to show you another example, I'll show you USD JPY here, USD JPY, and we can go to on the 8th of July. I'll show you another one. 8th of July. 8th of July. I'm going to make this into be as practical example as possible. 8th of July. Okay. See 8th of July here. This is what happened the 8th of July. So let's bring this here and then we look for it on the 30-minute time frame. So 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at what this thing actually did here. So guys, look at it. This is 8th of July, 13:30, right? 13:30. Look at it, guys. Look at when the news affect the market. See it here. See the big move, eh? Now look at it, guys. Now the market is actually saying that the USD currency is going to affect the market negatively, but what happened here? It affect the market positively. Look at how many pips. Let me hide this. Let me bring this. Just imagine how many pips is this. This is 74 pips, over 70 pips, just like that. Can you see, guys? So now I'm going to actually show us another one before I go into the strategy, so that you can actually appreciate and know the value of this strategy. I'm going to focus on USD pair alone, and this same thing that I'm teaching you affect all other pairs too. Look at it. This is CPI news. This now happens on when? July 13. This CPI is also a high impact news. What did they say? The percentage is 1.0%, and they expect it to be 1.1%, and when the actual news came it was 1.3%, which actually they in their forecast here, they are actually telling us that the market is going to actually increase. The currency, the US dollar currency, is going to increase in strength and going to actually affect the market positively. But when the actual news came out, it was 1.3%. But let's see in the real chart if this actually affect the market positively in the real chart. That is what time? On the 13th of July, 1:30, right? July 1:30, 13th of July 1:30. So let's check USD JPY 13th of July. 13th of July. I hope you are seeing the way I'm looking at it. 13th of July 1:30. 1:30 will be 13:30. Look at it, guys. You can see it affect the market positively. Look at it. This is the candle here. This is how many pips. Let's calculate from here to here. The market actually gave us over 60 pips. Can you see, guys? It gave us how many pips? Over 60 pips. So now you want to say, oh, their prediction is right here. Okay, so if you look at, let me fast forward to what happened yesterday. Yesterday was 5th of August. Look at the news. This news actually make a lot of traders lose money in the market yesterday. I'm very sorry. Non-farm payroll, the same thing that happens on the 8th of July last month happens on 5th of August yesterday. And what is the time? Look at it. Non-farm, all these ones you don't mind it. The most important one is this non-farm employment change. Now 398, if you remember, it was 398 in this place. July 13, July 8th, sorry. July 8th. I want us to be factual about this thing. July 8th. Look at it. 372 was it. So when the next one that happens, in fact, you can see that there is a slight change here. They put it there. You can see revised from 372, so it has changed from 372 to 398 before that day, though they are the one that understand that. But what am I saying is that they said that the previous 398, it was revised from 372. Okay, they were saying that actually the news was 398. You can see that they are the one that make the mistake. The news was supposed to be 398, not 372. That's why they say they revise it here. When you bring them out, you can see. So that's why you don't need to actually focus on their prediction, okay? So now 398, now they are forecasting again that the news is going to actually go to 250k, meaning that the currency US dollar is going to actually weaken in strength. But when the news came out, it was 528, guys. 528 is to 398 is increase. That means the US dollar currency actually increased in value, in strength, sorry. So now a whole lot of people have think that this market is going to go negative because the US dollar currency is going to decrease in strength. But look at what happened 528. So let's check what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday? Let's fast forward it. Yesterday, look at it here, guys. 13:30. Can you see? Look at the news supposed to come to this side. It's supposed to sell, but guess what happened? He bought because the prediction was wrong. Look at it. He bought to over 160 pips, guys. 160 pips. That's crazy. 160 pips. That's crazy. You can see. So now, guys, if you look at GBP USD yesterday, a lot of people have thought GBP is going to overpower USD because USD is going to actually losing strength. But look at what happened. August 4. No, okay, let's fast forward to yesterday. Look at what happened, guys. Look at what happened, guys. No, 13:30. GBP odd. Talking about GBP USD. Look at what happened, guys. From here to here. A lot of people have put in for a long or buy in this trade because they believe that the news is going to actually favor them by making the market to buy. Instead, the market sold. Look at how many pips is that. Actually have over 100 pips, over 110 pips yesterday. So now let me now come to the strategy I'm going to teach us right now, okay? So now, guys, this is how to actually trade it. What do you need to do? What you need to do is actually look at, okay, when is the next news coming up? Let's say let me first create a strategy. Firstly, USD has a high impact news by 1:30 p.m. Look at it, 1:30 p.m. and you shouldn't care about their figure here. Don't care about their figure here. Just come to your to your chart. If the market is here that currently, you know what you are going to do, guys? I'm going to actually explain it to us here. Now this candle will still be the one moving at that time because that 1:30 has not happened yet. So you will now be like, okay, when this candle is moving 5 minutes or 10 minutes before the news happen, you can set a pending order. How? Now set a pending order of buy and sell at the same time. You are going to actually risk it depending on how much you want to risk on your account, but this is how you are going to actually do it. Now set a pending order. Which pending order? You set a buy limit and sell limit, or you set a you can even set market execution. Just set market execution, okay? Set market execution. Why? You can set market execution, you can sell buy limit or sell limit, anyone that works fine for you. But anyone that you do, just make sure the market will activate it. Okay, so now let's say you want to do market execution. The market execution, the price is here at that time, the market is remaining 5 minutes to close and the news will take effect of the market. Set 50 pips, maybe 30 pips. Look at it. Where is my okay, you can set like 30 pips. In fact, since you are actually trading forex, you don't have to set a lot of stop loss to manage your risk. You can set like 20 pips or 10 pips or 15 pips. Okay, set a 15 pips like this, put your stop loss at the 15 pips, then set another trade which is going to actually be short trade. Set the other one to like this. At the same time, set that one to be 15 pips. You see, there are 15 pips. So now, how will this strategy work? What is going to happen is that once you set it, leave your TP open and make sure you are with your phone and be at alert. Okay, guys. Leave your TP open and then make sure that you are at alert. How? Why? Because when the market happens, it happens suddenly. Sometimes it happens in the sense that if you are not, it is going to retrace back up, and then you might actually not make a whole lot of profit. So now look at it. You set 2 trades at a time. Maybe you want to risk 1% of your account. You can set it to be 0.5 on one trade, 0.5 on another trade. Now if you set 0.5 of your account on one trade, put it to be buy, so that immediately the news happen. If the news is actually going to buy, set your TP open. Immediately the news go to the level you are okay with, the maybe you see that the level of the news has gotten to a certain stage. Before the thing start retracing, just close your order in profit. And then guess what? If you actually buy, it's going to actually hit your stop loss of your sell, and you know that you just lose that 50, and you lose that 0.5 to actually. Now look at the ratio. You're actually risking 15 pips to cash. Okay, let's say yesterday you set something like this, and then you cash how many pips? You cash over 100 pips, because this is where you go to yesterday. Let's say you cash over 110 pips and you risk only 15 pips. Understand, guys? And you set these two simultaneously. Immediately the market happened, it hit your stop loss on your buy, but it continued to go in the direction of your sell. And guess what? The 15 pips that you risk here, you'll have make it immediately when this market go ×2 of your pips. That's when you get to 30 pips. You have already secured both your current, the one you hit that hit your stop loss, and the one that is currently playing out. And look at how many pips that you later covered. And immediately you see that this market wants to start retracing, you just close it in profit. That's how to actually trade the news, guys. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. So if you want to go to another pair, this same thing, let's go to NZUSD. That one to happen yesterday. NZUSD, it happens to yesterday. Let me delete this. Look at it. Look at it. So when the market is here, 5 minutes for the market to close, guys, just use wisdom to actually apply this that I'm teaching you right now. Use your wisdom to actually apply it. So you quickly set your stop loss and your you quickly set your stop loss and you take profit before the news happens. Make sure you minimize your risk. Like, you can do 10 to 15 pips. Let's do 10 here. Let's do 10 here. And let's say if you know this strategy since yesterday, just imagine what you'll have made from the market that yesterday. So let's do another one here. How many pips do we risk here? Is it 10? Okay, we risk 10. So let's do 10 too here. So you can actually leave the TP open. And guess what, guys? Immediately the market happens, this thing goes, it hits your stop loss on your buy, but it still go in your direction on your sell. And look at how many pips you cover. You are able to cover over 70 pips, guys. Over 70 pips, and you risk only 10 pips. Do you understand, guys? Does it make any sense at all? So this is how to actually trade the news to be of your favor at any time. You just don't have to mind whatever the news is saying, either it is actually negative or positive. Just make sure that you position yourself rightly, and immediately the news happen like this, just set your order before the news happen. Maybe 5 minutes before the news happen, set your order, let the order be rolling. You already know what you are risking, and you are okay with whatever you are risking, and let it happen. Immediately the market happen like this, before the thing retraces back up, you already close your trade in profit. That is it about that, guys. So that is number one strategy. If you know, you understand, and you get value from this video, kindly give me the like button right now. Make sure you go to the comment section, tell me your view about it, and if there's anything you don't understand about this strategy I'm teaching you right now, kindly go to the comment section, put your comment there, and make sure you subscribe and share this video to your loved ones, and make sure everybody is winning as a profitable trader. Okay, guys, so the second strategy I'm going to be teaching us right now, guys, is what usually happen immediately after the market happen. You can see it right in your front right now. What happened immediately after the market happened? Look at it. After the market have sold finish, it has to correct itself. 90% of all the time, market will always correct itself from these big moves. Look at it. We have another move. Let me calculate that, pips. You can always position yourself to all these things. Aside from being a technical trader, you can also always position yourself. Let's say the market now move from here. It moved from here to here to here. That's another 34 pips, over 30 pips. You can still cash. So what is this strategy? This strategy is actually that immediately after a big move, the high impact news affect the market, there's always a retracement. Most of the time, 90% of the time, there's always a retracement. So you always wait for the market to do whatever it has done finish. Immediately the market has done whatever it's doing finish, you pick a retracement trade. Why? Because the market will always retrace. Look at it. If it is a buy, the market will retrace for yourself, because he has to cover all these things that he has done. So if it is a sell, the market will retrace and buy. Look at it. Let's check this NZUSD. Let's check GBP/USD. Look at it. GBP/USD actually moved from, let's see how many pips he gave us that he retraces. It got here. That's over 70 pips, guys. So that is how you can actually, immediately the news happen like this. Maybe you are the type that you took the news and you are profitable. So immediately the news happen and you can see that the market started retracing. Just enter another trade for a retracement. Make sure you always use your proper risk management, guys. Make sure no strategy is 100% in forex trading. And always know that whatever you are going to risk at a point in time, you are ready to lose that money before you go in. Okay, guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So look at it, guys. This is over 70 pips. You can set it open, and then once you see that it start retracing back again, you can just close in profit. This should be one of the ways you'll be trading at any time you have an high impact news in the market. This shouldn't be the only way you are going to be trading. Of course, you can't rely all your trading on this alone, even though it's going to actually give you some good money if you position yourself well. But I'm a technical trader, and I take advantage of this kind of market too. So that's that about that, guys. That's the second strategy I'm going to teach you. Let's look at Euro USD 2. Euro USD 2 yesterday. Look at it. Euro USD also gave us the same thing. Look at how many pips Euro USD come, over 70 pips, and then look at how many pips it later gave us when it is retracing. Okay, he retraced here before he started dropping. He retraced to over 30 pips because he actually came back, and if you still leave the trade open, he still retraced to over 37 pips, guys. So that is how you are going to actually trade the news, high impact news, and immediately the high impact news has affect the market finish, there's always a retracement 90% of all the time. That's the reason why I say 90% of all the time, not 100% or 99% of all the time. If you look at USDJPY, let's look at USDJPY. Do you see it retrace yesterday? USDJPY didn't retrace. Look at the news. The news affected to this level. Another candle come up, you didn't retrace. Another candle, see. Before we get a little retracement here, you can see. So that's why you don't have to. You need to actually use your proper risk management. And as a matter of fact, these are the pairs that I mostly trade. All these ones, sometimes I look at it, sometimes I trade it, sometimes I don't trade it. But these are the major pairs that I usually trade here, guys. So that's what I'm going to. That's all about today's class, guys. If you get any value from this video, kindly make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, make sure you put the bell notification on, so that when I discover and I practice all the other strategies that can actually make us to stay profitable as a trader, I always bring it in your front, guys. So stay happy and stay winning, and make sure you continue using your proper risk management, stay disciplined with your goals and your plan, your trading plan and your goals plan. Stay disciplined always, guys, because that's what is going to make you to be a long-time profitable trader. Don't over leverage. Make sure you always use your proper risk management. At the point in time when you are trading, use 1 to 3% of your account per time. Use 1 to 3% of your account per time. And when you are losing a trade, don't add any position to that trade. Don't say when this market gets here it's going to sell. Let that thing start happening before you add more position to sell. These are the tactics we're going to get in from this channel. Love you guys. I'm Chairman Diamond Aridoh, and until I see you my way again, keep winning and keep winning from your forex market. And do always remember that Chairman Diamond Aridoh does love you guys. Bye bye for now.